Hope you're doing good. Welcome to my Sup Dropshipping Shopify tutorial. The first thing you want to do once on Shopify.com, you're going to create an account if you don't have one as yet. I'll be leaving a link in the description that you can use to get started for free. Once you have created your account, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option and select Apps. After doing that, you're going to tap on All Recommended Apps. Then you're going to tap on Shopify App Store. Once on the Shopify App Store, you're going to tap on the search bar and you're going to type in Sup Dropshipping. And you can see the Sup Dropshipping app right here. Then you will tap on Install. And by the way, you can install it for completely free and you will be able to add products from AliExpress. So you're going to tap on Install once more. After selecting Install, you'll be prompted to sign up. So you're going to enter your email address and you're going to create a password. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this and you'll be able to start searching for your products. But before doing that, I want you to go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap on Dashboard. After hovering over My Sup, you're going to tap on Dashboard right here. Once you have selected Dashboard, you will be redirected to the Member Center. On the Member Center, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select Stores. Then you're going to select Shopify and you're going to add in your Shopify name, or you can add in, better yet, your Shopify URL. So you're going to go back onto your Shopify dashboard, go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on View Your Online Store, and you're just going to copy your Shopify URL. So you're going to copy the first part of your URL. So let's do that real quick. After you have copied it, you're going to go back into Sup Dropshipping and you're going to paste it right here. Then you will tap on Authorize. You'll tap on Go to Dashboard. Now that we have added our store, you can start adding products. All you'll need to do is go over to the top left-hand corner, tap on Find Product. After selecting Find Product, you're going to tap on Imported Products. And from here, you can paste in your product URL. So for example, you could go onto AliExpress. So let us open a new tab and we're going to go onto AliExpress. Once on AliExpress, you can search for the product that you would like to add. So let's say, for example, we would like to add one of these products. So let me select a random product real quick. So let's say, for example, this bag. You're going to copy the URL. Then you're going to go back into Sup Dropshipping and you're going to paste the URL right there. Then you'll tap on Import. After selecting Import, you'll give it a few seconds. And then from there, you're going to realize that the product has been added to Sup Dropshipping. Once it has been added, you'll be able to upload it onto your store. So you can see the product right here. So you're going to tap on List to Store. After selecting List to Store, you can choose to customize it. For example, you can unselect a variant if you want, or you can leave all variants. You can also tap on Images and you could unselect any image. You can edit the description and also the product title. One thing that you will need to do is set the price that you would like to sell it for. So at the moment, you can see that it is priced at $31 and you can see the different variant prices. So let's say, for example, I'm planning to sell it for $75. So I'll type in 75 right there. After doing that, I'm going to go back. Let me go back real quick. So I'll select Imported Products. And I'm going to tap on List it to Store. And let me set the price. So I'll type in 75. Then just scroll down and tap on List It Now. After you have selected List It Now, you'll give it a few seconds while the product is being pushed to your store. Once it has been added onto your store, you can go back into Shopify. So you can see it has been added right there. So if we were to go back into Shopify, go over to the top left-hand corner and select Products, you can see the product right there. So we could tap on Preview on Store and you can see it right here. And that's how you'll be able to use Sup Dropshipping with Shopify. The next thing you'll need to do after you have started receiving some orders, you can go over to the left hand column and you could select orders And this is where you'll be able to monitor your store orders, as you can see right here, and you'll be able to process it, and you can start distributing the products to customers. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button